Hello kids, Prinzy here. Today I will teach you how to draw a beautiful Santa Claus. Draw with me. First I am going to draw our Santa's nose. Now I am going to draw Santa's mustache. Now I am drawing his smiley mouth. And now I am drawing Santa's face. It's time to draw his eyebrows. Now I am drawing Santa's cap. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. Now I am drawing Santa's eyes. It's time to draw Santa's beard. Great! Now I am going to draw Santa's body. First, I am going to draw Santa's one hand. Now I am drawing Santa's gloves. Great! Now I am drawing his second hand. And he is holding a bag. Now I am completing Santa's body by making his dress. Now I am drawing Santa's belt. Great! Now I am drawing Santa's coat. It's time to draw Santa's pant. Now I am drawing his socks. And now it's time to draw his shoes. Well done kids! Our Santa Claus is ready. Now I am going to enhance the picture. Great! Our picture is more visible to us now. Let's color our picture. I am using red color for Santa's dress. First I am going to color his cap. Now I am coloring his coat. Now I am coloring his pant. Now I am using black color for Santa's gloves and shoes. Now I am doing the same color in Santa's belt as well. Now I am using yellow color. I am using dark pink color. Now I am using skin color for Santa's face. Now for our bag, I am using rainbow colors. First I am going to use orange color. Now I am using pink color, yellow color, light green color, sky blue color, purple color. Great! Now I am going to draw some colorful snowfall. Great job, kids. Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.